This is the Maquoketa River, and it's usually not that high. And it goes all the way into this cornfield over here. And it still goes back further yet, you just can't see it because of the phone.
He's moving his bales.
Yeah, there's a guy over there on the other side of the road. Sorry, that had two big old hay bales out in the middle of the field, and he had to go get them.
He's got more rolling through him.
See, and there's down the road. There's even more flooding. All these cornfields and stuff are just loaded. Okay, now I can show you the corn, or the hay bales, since we're turned around. Why did I want to say corn bales? See, there's two hay bales sitting out in the water. This is some corn bales. This is all cornfield until you get up to a certain point, and then I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video, but up here is where the old bridge used to be. It's like that cement thing that you could see just barely sticking out of the water. It's just about up to the top of it. It almost looks like a house, but it's not. It's actually the old bridge, and it's at, honestly, the water is just about level with the bottom of this bridge that we're going over now.
Well, it's level with the field, water in the field from the rain.
Derek says that it's level in the field. But now we're going back home, so I'm going to stop the video.